Okay. Okay. Okay, today is day 2 of our day 2 or day 3? Day 3.
Snowing.
Now we're both kind of bundled up. So here we are on day 3. We got a snowstorm up in Rocky Mountains. So it's super cold, super windy.
Maybe we need our goggles.
Yeah, we even packed our snow goggles. So we're gonna head up towards Emerald Lake today. We didn't get to go there the other day, but she feels energetic, so.
Hi,
Oh.
we're ready.
Oh, what happened to your jacket? You had a different one.
I changed it because I'm cold.
Little too cold. I love people who park in the handicap space, but they're going hiking in the snow. Like, are you really sure you're that handicapped?
It's funny. Yeah.
Here we go. 2 old people who parked in the handicap space, and now they're gonna walk on the ice without good shoes on. How do we look, ma? So we've been hiking about 15 minutes, and the wind and the snow are really picking up. It's turning into a real snowstorm. But she's getting the snow experience. I'm from Upper Michigan, so this is a normal winter for me. I like it, honestly. I hate it in the summer when it's so hot and humid and crowded. This is fun for me. We've only passed 2 people coming down. Okay, this is Nymph Lake, and we're just going to walk across it. I think it's cold enough, don't have to worry about ice breaking. There's our Instagram couple.
It's deep snow now.
Are you getting the Michigan experience?
Too cold and windy.
How is it, Ma?
My leg is getting tired.
Uh-oh. Okay, we hit Dream Lake, although you can't see much. It's right on the other side of that little hill there. I don't even know if we're on the trail anymore. I'm just walking where other people walked. I thought it was over there.
I have no idea now.
There's a sign over there.
I have to put my gear.
Yeah, we had to stop and put our... Hold on.
I can't see.
Nah, we both had to stop and put our ski goggles on. The wind was just ripping through here and blinding me. So we're walking across Dream Lake, and drama. I was walking at the beginning of it where the outlet is, and my foot went through. There's running water. But I don't know, I got a lot of mink oil. Nobody's been walking up here, so we're walking through fresh snow. Damn, I think it snowed up here about a foot. So I put a lot of mink oil in my boots, but they're duck cloth on the top. I got a little water in them, but I'm so warm right now, I think I'm okay. Otherwise we'd have to go back.
It's deep snow now. I don't think we have to go.
I'll let you walk in the front.
No. I cannot see even the trail.
No, there's no trail. So right now I'm the guy forging the trail to Emerald Lake. Everybody's behind me, but there's no more trail anymore. The snow's about a foot deep, but we don't have that far to go. Right up here's the trail. So this is the end of Dream Lake, and Emerald Lake is over the hill, but I don't know if we can do it. I walked up here and I'm on the trail, but nobody's been here yet today. And it's really deep. Look here, where somebody stepped. Maybe 3 feet. You take one step off the path. Or is that the trail down there? Maybe that's the path. I think that's the path. I think here.
Oh, okay. Put them on?
Oh, we're gonna try to forge ahead. I don't know how much further we can go. The lake is just right over here, but he stopped walking, so I'm in the lead now. I don't think it's this way. Well, not much to see, but
No, this is it.
Oh my god. Thank you, Papa. We made it.
you can sit here if you want.
No, I'm good.
Right.
We made it.
Yeah, take a picture of the nice emerald waters.
I'm pacing back. So windy.
Well, let's have to Google what it looks like.
Hey, what's really ripping up here?
It is. It's white out.
Beautiful Emerald Lake. You can say you've been there at least. I've been there. I haven't seen it.
We made it.
And you can't see it now, but yesterday we were way up there, another 1,000 feet up that mountain. We're surrounded by mountains. You just can't see anything right now. Right here, big, beautiful mountain goes all the way up. But
Yeah.
well, let's start heading back.
Yep.
Okay, now we're headed back, and Cha-Cha took the lead, and I'm waiting for her to slide so I can catch it.
Oh, we walked so far like this? Wow.
That was a hard hike walking through that stuff. We were walking really slow, and now we're going to go fast. Plus, there's already a trail here. Conditions really got
Water, look.
shit. Yeah, don't go off the path. Well, we're glad we came. You happy you're here, Ma? Okay, we're back to Dream Lake. And man, the snow's really picking up down here. The other Green Bay couple's up ahead of us, but you can hardly see them. She's a real American now, not Filipino. You want me to go in the front?
Yeah.
Make it easier for you. Oh. There.
I feel like I am in Alaska.
Yeah, pretty much. Maybe 2 p.m. Has it really been 4 hours? Wow, look at this snow whipping. Man. Wow. So am I. How does it feel being in? Look at the wind flying here. Wow, man, this is a real storm now. Yeah, cover your face. Wow, it's really. Look! Wow, look at the ice. I give you a Filipina pop. Frozen Filipina. Once we get down on the other side of the hill, I think the wind will be better. About halfway back.
This is the dangerous one.
Oh yeah, this is where those guys slide. But they didn't have the steel. Beautiful though. We didn't get any snow this Christmas, so this is our Christmas spirit feeling. Okay, so now what is this? Nymph Lake, right?
Yeah.
We reached Nymph Lake and it's actually colder now. It's -5 Celsius. I'm still wearing my goggles because the snow is just flying here still. My feet are frozen wet, so I gotta turn the heater on, change my socks and shoes. And the snow and the wind let up so I could take my goggles off. I scared little kids with my real face. I just want to get back to the truck, man, to take these wet boots and socks off. Man, I am dying out here. My boots are covered. My pants are covered. The wet from when I went through the ice. My fingers, I don't have my good gloves, so my fingers are freezing. The only way to keep warm is to keep moving. We were sitting at Dream Lake and another couple came up, even though it's 2:45, and there's another couple up here too. So we're back down to the parking lot, and this is the map, by the way, where we hiked up all the way to Emerald Lake on the left. And I don't know, next time we could try Lake Hiya. Da, 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 da,
We
da.
made it!
Da, 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 da. You have to do your celebration hair shake.
Yeah.
There, it looks like somebody lost one of their cheap ass $5. These are the ones I'm telling you yesterday, that little mark in the snow. If you're gonna buy them, I mean, buy the real ones. These big, strong steel teeth. Wow, look at all this since we're gone. Well, that's it. Another 1,000 calories.
Yep.
Say bye, Ma.
Bye. Thank you for watching.
Oh yeah, be sure to click like and subscribe. Nah, don't do whatever you want to do. I don't think that umbrella is going to do much good, huh? A little bit of snow. Here we're back in the truck. I'm trying to defrost my fingers. The whole truck's covered with ice. And you have to scrape it off too. It's like really ice, not snow. Whew. Look at the road.
You cannot see the road now.
So we got 23 degrees and 4-wheel drive.